and then put them in the oven, or put them up in the oven straight away. Up to you guys.
I don't know whichever is best.
You can choose.
So when you put them in the oven, I know that technique will harden it. Actually, I put mine. The fridge. I put mine in the fridge, and then in the oven.
Okay. But I will time them and everything, and I will bring them to you guys after lunch so you to cool down as well.
Okay.
Which one?
This one.
I was going to.
Wait, the back of it. Got to make sure we get every part of it. Look at my cookies, baby! They look so yumptious.
Sorry, let me just
It's okay. Oh my god, yours look good.
They both look really nice.
I like yours.
Why do you like mine?
They look so proper, and they look like proper cookies. Mine look so messy.
No, it's because you use chunk.
Yeah, chunks.
You got your cookies are chunky cookies, yeah, and mine are the actual cookies.
Oh yeah, because you
Because
follow the recipe closely, and I just use whatever.
No, both of us followed it right. It's just that you got chunky cookies and I've got my little chopped up ones.
All right, the chocolates. Mine were chunky. Yours were fine.
Okay guys, are you happy for me to put them in the fridge or freezer for like 5 minutes, and then I'll put them in the oven,
Yeah.
and then I'll get you guys sometime after the lunch after they've cooled down.
Thank
Everything,
you.
okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
India, are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course I'm happy. I'm always happy when I'm with you, ain't I?
Just under here.
Big baby.
And I'll walk you guys back to the ward.
Wait, what about washing up?
Well, you guys can wash up if you
When
like
we come
to.
back?
What time is it? Up to you guys.
It's 11:58.
If you guys want to wash up a bit now, you don't have to wash up everything.
Should we
if you
wash
have
up?
no time.
Yeah, just
Yeah, we wash up now.
Thank you.